Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove increase contrast to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility Shortcut. From here, scroll down, then tap on Increase Contrast. Tap on the Increase Contrast to add or remove it from the Accessibility Shortcut menu. So here I'm going to select it, and then if I triple click on the side button to open the accessibility shortcut, and here you can see it has increased contrast. If I tap on that, then on my screen the contrast will be increased, and if I deselect that, on my screen the contrast will decrease. So here if I remove it, it will also get removed from the menu in here. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.